Hey guys, welcome back to another zpoltunboxing, and today we're going to take a look at the Moment wide lens V2. So this 18mm of wide angle goodness. Long live the picture taker, and of course Moment case. I got this for second hand, so of course it's cheaper. Moment Inc. warrants this product to be free from defects, materials, workmanship. There's a Moment limited warranty. Shopmoment.com, of course, is an online kind of thing going on. They did a Kickstarter, and of course they were funded. Nice branding overall, and this is the best lenses that you can get for your iPhone. Of course, if you're an iPhoneographer, this is something that should be in your short list. Of course, why do you need this? Because sometimes you want to shoot wider, especially if you have an XS or XS Max as well. It doesn't have a wide angle lens yet, so definitely this is something that you should consider. If you had an iPhone 11 Pro, you should also consider this, because the wide angle lens in iPhone is not as sharp as this one. It's still sharper. So wide 18, and you get that really nice pouch. Moment also, of course, inside you get that glorious lens right away. You have a Moment logo, you have a lens cap also made of rubbery kind of material. Of course, a V2 here at the top, and yes, this is what you're gonna get. Of course, the overall build actually pretty weighty. I was surprised how weighty this is. Metal in build also really looks good as well. This is the overall build. Definitely looks premium. So this is around $120, so definitely in the pricey side of things. But of course, if you have an XS Max or XS, or if you want, you just value a really sharp wide angle camera, this in the cheap side of things, in the mirrorless world, this entry-level price for a lens, so definitely not bad still in the grand scheme of things if you really value quality in your photography. Of course, lens cap, and opening it up, you get that glorious lens right away. Look at that, a lot of lens on top, and definitely this makes your shot sharper. Look at that attention to detail. This is not your cheap kind of a clip-on lens. This is definitely a real lens in the grand scheme of things. Of course, we're gonna try it out here with our Moment. Actually, we're shooting with the Moment lens, but I want to see. I'm gonna show you guys first how it mounts. So I have a Moment case right here as well. So of course, mounting it is pretty easy. Just need to line things up and then twist it until the line goes there. And with the Moment case also, it always is in this exact same spot, and also exact same distance from your iPhone lens as well, so you get perfect shot every single time. So this is what what you're gonna get in terms of the overall shot. Look at how wide that is. Okay, compared to this one without it, look at that, and with it, of course, look at how wide that is. It's around 30% wider, and definitely looks still very sharp, as you guys can see. So this is what it's gonna look like. Actually, it adds some weight also to the Moment lens, to the your overall iPhone. It's almost like 2 times the weight, or 1.5 times the weight, and definitely is more top heavy compared to your usual iPhone case. So this is what it's gonna look like. Actually pretty stable overall. This won't move at all. The case is really sturdy, and the lens also sturdy, so it won't move at all. It's very rigid. But of course, I want to try it out here in this video. So this is the current shot, and let's see if I put a Moment lens in. Look at that, guys. So shot is right here, I think a while ago, and you go now like that, and really big, and you can see all this stuff there at the side also. So when you focus, it still focuses really fine, really sharp in terms of the overall quality, and actually looks more mirrorless, looks different. So definitely, if you kind of value that kind of look, it's definitely a different look, and not a lot of distortion also, even at the sides. So pretty good still, as you guys can see. So if we put it here, there's not a lot of distortion. Of course, there's still a wide angle lens. You will see of course some perspective distortion already, but it's still pretty good. Look at that, guys. So pretty wide angle. A lot of stuff can fit in, especially in this channel, which I definitely need. So that is our 18mm wide angle Moment lens. Really nice. Definitely, I would say worth the value that I paid for it. I will use it every day, in a single day here in the channel. And of course, if you learned something new, like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And of course, If you want to get one, use my links down in the comments below, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.